In today's homes, space is a luxury, and how we use it defines how we live. That is where smart, flexible furniture designs becomes more than convenience. It becomes a philosophy. A perfect example is the wooden fold-down wall desk. It is one of those ideas that feels almost obvious once you see it. A desk that appears when you need it and disappears when you don't. It is practical minimalism at its finest. And when made of wood, it carries a warmth and tactile honesty that metal or plastic could never match. Let's start with the core idea: efficiency without compromise. A fold-down desk allows you to reclaim square footage in a small apartment, home office, or bedroom, but still maintain a proper work surface. It challenges the assumption that productivity needs a dedicated room or bulky furniture. Instead, it blends into the wall, quiet, clean, and unintrusive, until the moment you pull it down. Now, what makes the wooden version of this design so appealing isn't just the functionality. It is the atmosphere it creates. Wood suffers the technology around it. It makes laptops, screens, and wires feel less sterile. The texture, the grain, even the subtle imperfections of natural timber remind you that your workspace can feel human, not mechanical. Depending on the tone of the wood, the same design can take on completely different characters. Light oak or birch gives a Scandinavian airy vibe, perfect for bright minimalist interiors. Darker walnut or mahogany, on the other hand, lends depth and sophistication, turning a small working corner into something that feels deliberate and grounded. What is fascinating about fold-down wall desks is that they invite thoughtful engineering. Every hinge, bracket, and line of the design matters. The goal isn't just to make it fold. It is to make it fold gracefully, to feel smooth, balanced, and almost invisible when closed. A well-designed desk should close flush against the wall, blending into the surface as if it were part of the architecture. Storage is often integrated into the design. Slim drawers, cubbies, or vertical compartments tucked behind or above the desk. These allow space for stationery, cables, and notebooks without cluttering the visual line. It is functional but also psychological. A clean desk gives you a clean start every time you fold it open. In smaller homes, it is a game changer. That unused wall becomes an instant workstation, a creative corner, or even a study area for kids. When it is closed, it frees up the same space for exercise, reading, or simply breathing room. Something often forgotten in urban interiors. But there is more to it than just saving space. It is about adaptability. Our lifestyles are hybrid, part home, part work, part rest. A fold-down desk supports that rhythm. It is not permanent furniture. It is flexible architecture. From craftsmanship perspective, the material choice is everything. Solid wood adds stability and long-term resilience. Engineered wood or plywood can make the structure lighter, ideal for smaller walls or renters who want easy installation. Finishes range from matte oil that highlights natural grain to painted surfaces that merge seamlessly with surrounding walls. Hardware too plays a subtle yet crucial role. Soft close hinges, magnetic latches, and concealed brackets enhance the experience of interaction. You don't just use the desk, you feel it unfold, click, and lock into place with precision. It is a small ritual that connects you to your environment in a tactile way, a detail often lost in modern mass production. Because in the end, the best designs don't just fit your home, they adapt to your life. So until next time, happy decorating.